Welcome to a tutorial on how to install and maintain your pressure filter. This is a pressure filter without the handle, so it's not an H model, it's a standard model. Here's another view of the top of our pressure filter so you can see exactly how it works. Right here we're going to have a green indicator that will turn red when your pressure filter is dirty and needs to be cleaned. Here's a convenient viewing glass so you can look down and see if your UV light is working. It works best to check this at night so you can actually see if it's working or not. Here we have our inlet, which our pump connects to. Here we have our outlet, which goes to our waterfall or spillway. And on this side it says dirty, which is where we run the hose for backwashing and cleaning. Simply to clean this and backwash it, what you want to do is turn off the pump, and then what you'll do is turn these knobs. They'll go from filter to clean. So you'll turn that to clean, turn this one to clean. If these do not turn very easily at first, you can get a towel and gently use a pair of vice grips or pliers to turn them. Once you break them in, they'll become a little bit easier to turn. So what you want to do is turn off your pump, which goes to this inlet, and you'll turn this to clean, turn your pump back on. It'll go out the backwash tube, away from your pond feature, cleaning your water. Once you see the water starting to become a little bit more clean, you can turn your pump off. You turn these back to filter. You take off this ring right here, and then that will open this top. You can pull out the filter and hose that off as well. Put it all back together. Make sure your pump is fully submerged in water. Turn it back on, and it should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. It's a great tool to have to help maintain a healthy pond. So if you have any other further questions, reach out to us.